All right, guys. So yesterday I was having how can you say requests? There you go. To how to clean the brushes. So these are some of the brushes that I have to actually clean. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I am gonna need them tomorrow. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them. So first off, you're gonna need some paper towels. Okay. Disinfecting wipes, you're probably asking why you guys need them. I will let you know why. You will also need something like this. And if you don't have it, don't worry. I'll show you another way how you can clean them. All right. The jabonzote and or this baby. This is a mitt to clean, but it's already. We are also going to need a little bin like this. Honestly, I don't know where I got these from, so please don't ask. I really don't remember. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and need, we're gonna use this. This is the ones that I used on my small tutorial yesterday about the beauty blenders, how to wash them. So we're gonna go ahead and start off, and I'm gonna go ahead and put hot water on that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to there. I don't want it all the way to the top. And I'm gonna go ahead and place this to the side right here. Okay. So the reason why I said the disinfecting wipes, you want to make sure you clean your whole sink area around it. I cleaned the inside of it with it, just in case, you know, you don't want that to be dirty. The paper towels, we're going to use them a little bit towards the end, and I will. So I went ahead and placed the cleaning mat right here on my sink. Okay, and I went ahead and I grabbed my soap sote or jabon sote, however you guys are more familiar with it. So don't mind this part. I did cut it yesterday to use yesterday's tutorial. So we're gonna go ahead and start. Okay, I'm gonna start with this brush. If it falls, don't mind that it falls. It's pretty old. So what I do first, I like to grab a little bit of water. Okay, and I go ahead and I start going like this to the jabon sote. Okay. And once I do that, I make sure I put a little bit of water to run, okay? And I start going like this to the mat, okay? Obviously, when I do it with both hands, it doesn't move. But right now, I'm using only one hand, so it's moving a lot. Okay, so this is how it's starting to look. Okay, obviously, it's wet right now. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it out. So you can see, look, the water is perfectly clear, okay? And if you want to go ahead and grab those napkins, you can go ahead. But obviously, I use these type of, what do you call it, washcloths to dry my brushes. So I go ahead and I just tap, tap, and turn. And there you go. See, these is how my brushes look. Okay. So moving on to another one. I'm going to show you the ones that I see that are more like dirty. Let me see. Let's pick a very dirty one. See, this is orange, okay? Again, same process. We dip it in water. We turn, turn, turn. You see how the color is coming out? And then we place it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep swirling this. All right. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers. Okay. You see? And with circular motions, either on your paper towel or your washcloth, you can go ahead and just turn, 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 turn. Okay. And then let me see if you guys can see it. Remember what the color was? It was very orange. Okay. So with that being done, you go ahead and place them. I always like to keep a paper towel to go ahead and place them, but right now I don't have any spaces you can see. But I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and place paper towel so they can stand right there, okay? Okay, so what I also do when I do have a lot of brushes like I do right now, it is a pain in the ass actually to be cleaning one by one. So what I do, I go ahead and I grab a few of them. Okay, for example these. I go ahead and I put those here. All of them at the same time. I start moving them here. Okay, making sure that that soap gets soaked in. Okay, I place them back in the water. Alright, and then I start doing the same thing, placing back in the water. Okay, sometimes I am not gonna lie, I go ahead and I grab 3 or 4 at the same time and I start scrubbing this off, for the simple fact that obviously, you know, I do want to finish as soon as possible. Washing brushes all the time is not fun, and I personally hate it. But I don't like to be opening new packages either, because so here are my brushes right now. They are nice and clean. Okay, and as you may see, they are actually ready to be used. What I did was to actually kind of dry them. I went ahead and I pressed down here. After I went ahead and I did circular motions, I pressed down, and with my paper towel, okay, I made sure, you know, that I squeeze the water out. Okay, so what I do, just to let them dry overnight, I do place them, like I said, on a paper towel. I make sure I put them like one up, one down, one up, one down. For the simple reason that I feel that they dry faster, and try to separate them as much as possible. You have to give them some kind of air to breathe. Okay, well, I hope you guys like my tutorial. This is the way that I clean my brushes, and I will be coming soon to do a live video or a new YouTube video. I'm still undecided, but let me know. So let me know, guys, what you want to see. If you would like for me to go live either on Instagram or Facebook, or if you guys would prefer for me to upload a video on my YouTube channel. I have been on a very, very lazy mode these days, so I have not done any type of makeup. If you guys know, I have not, I was actually on vacation and I had to go back to work and I was not feeling it, so that's why I have been pretty much on that lazy mode. But I do promise, guys, that I will be going back live, and I will be going back to doing my videos, since I have been getting a lot of requests for that. So thank you so much for your support, guys, and I hope you guys liked this mini tutorial. Thank you so much. Also, for those people that don't have a mat like this, what I do recommend for you to do is actually, again, wet the brush. Make sure you wet the brush in that hot water, okay? Keep swirling around in the soap, okay? Make sure you do this often, okay? Soak it back in the water, okay? You see how that's going to come out? That's because of all the soap and the product that it has. Go back with the jabón sote, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and rinse, okay? When you're rinsing, make sure your water's not hot like mine. Make sure you squeeze it out, the product, okay? All right. It's going to look like that. You're going to go ahead and grab a paper towel, all right? And you're going to squeeze it out, okay? Make sure you squeeze everything out, guys. So after I went ahead and I used the paper towel, this is how my brush looks. I went ahead and I'm going to show you on a clean paper towel, alright, that it leaves it clean. Obviously it looks a little wet because my brushes are still wet, but I'm going to show you. Okay, let's see, no makeup. Alright, guys, so I really hope that my techniques can actually help those people that actually have no clue on how to do their cleaning of brushes. So if you guys have any more suggestions, questions, please let me know, and don't forget to keep following me on Instagram at Makeup with Weta, and on YouTube also Makeup with Weta, and on Facebook.